A 3-burner gas grill is an ideal choice for cooks who value the high heat output and ample cooking surface they get with large grills, but at a fraction of the price. 3-burner grills may be compact, but they are mighty no-fuss machines that often cook just as well as far more expensive grills. There are many products available to choose 3-burner gas grill, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best 3-burner gas grill from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Char Griller E3001 Grillin Pro. The Char Griller E3001 is made of thick powder-coated stainless steel, which is as dense as the steel you'd get with a grill that costs 3 times as much as the E3001. In addition to durable construction, you also get 630 square inches of cooking surface, 40,800 BTUs of flame power, and a 12,000 BTU side burner. Char Griller has been producing the E3001 for at least a decade, and I'm pleasantly surprised to see several subtle but significant improvements on the new model. In the past, Char Griller welded their 6 support brackets to the grill body, which wasn't a problem until they began to rust. Number 2. Royal Gourmet 3-burner propane gas grill. If you're looking for portability, compact design, stainless steel construction, and the freedom to cook various foods in virtually any environment, the Royal Gourmet PD1300 gas grill may be an ideal choice. This 3-burner propane gas grill features over 316 square inches of primary cooking space and a porcelain enamel flat-top griddle, making this grill ideal for all-day events like picnics and tailgate parties. Those who require a little flexibility in their cooking device will like the griddle top design, which allows you to cook breakfast foods, grilled sandwiches, sides, and traditional grill items all on one unit. Other features include 3 independently controlled stainless steel burners that emit 27,000 BTUs of combined cooking power. If you're tired of breaking your back, enjoy the flexibility to cook a variety of foods, and don't want to spend a lot of money to get it, the Royal Gourmet PD1300 may be the grill for you. Number 3. American Gourmet 3-burner liquid gas grill. If you're slim on cash and square footage, but you still want a lightweight and powerful 3-burner grill that accommodates large family meals, the Char-Broil 360 may be a good choice. This grill has 360 square inches of cooking surface, enough to accommodate about 15 burgers, but weighs under 40 pounds and takes up little space. This is ideal for apartment or balcony grillers who need ample grilling surface, but need it contained to a grill box that is slim, mobile, and doesn't overtake what limited space they have. The Char-Broil Classic 360 is one of the most affordable grills on my list, yet it still gives you plenty to write home about. Number 4. Dyna-Glo 3-burner open cart gas grill. The Dyna-Glo 3-burner gas grill is one of the most affordable 3-burner grills on the market, making it ideal for budget grillers with limited storage space. This compact unit still features plenty of cooking space, 310 square inches, and enough heat output, 24,000 BTUs, to achieve those beautiful steakhouse sears. The Dyna-Glo 3-burner gas grill comes with porcelain-coated cooking grates as well as porcelain-coated heat tents. This design choice eases cleanup and ensures that your food doesn't stick to the cooking surface. The heat tents, too, are a nice amenity. These aren't built with the quality you'd expect from a Weber grill, but they will extend the life of your burners by catching and vaporizing juices. They also help prevent flare-ups and eliminate the chore of cleaning out grease-clogged burner tubes. Number 5. Broil King Gem 320 Liquid Propane Grill. The Broil King Gem 320 gives you 426 square inches of cooking space, 24,000 BTUs of heat output, 2 drop-down side shelves, and an open cart design that still conceals your propane tank. Additional features include a rust-proof cast aluminum cookbox, side-ported dual-flame tube burners, and linear flow valves, which make dialing in your ideal temperature straightforward. This grill reaches peak heat in under 10 minutes and distributes flame power evenly. It is also worth mentioning, this grill is manufactured in North America and comes with an impressive collection of warranties. Weber guarantees the lid and cookbox for 10 years. A 2-year warranty backs the cast iron grates, side burner, and extra parts and paint. The stainless steel main burners are guaranteed for 5 years. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.